Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a list to a SharePoint site step by step. I'll be doing this on SharePoint Online through a web browser. First, navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to create the list. You'll see the site name in the header and the navigation menu on the left side. Once you're on the site homepage, look for the plus new button in the top command bar. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear showing various items you can create. From that drop-down, select List. This opens up a dialog box that says, "How would you like to start?" at the top. You'll see several tiles with different options for creating your list. For this tutorial, click on Blank List to start from scratch. Now you need to configure the list settings. In the name field, type in a name for your list. This is required, and it'll appear at the top of your list. Below that, there's a description field, which is optional. You can add a description here if you want, or just leave it blank. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a checkbox labeled Show in Site Navigation. If you tick this box, your list will appear in the left navigation pane of your site. This is useful if you plan to access this list frequently. Once you've entered your name and decided on the navigation setting, click the Create button at the bottom right of the dialog. Your new blank list will open automatically and you'll see it's ready to use. At this point, the list has just one default column called Title. Now that your list is created, here's what to do next. To add your first item, click the plus, Add New Item button. If you prefer working in a spreadsheet-style view where you can see multiple rows at once, use Edit in Grid View instead. To track different types of information, click the plus Add Column button at the top. This lets you add columns for text, numbers, dates, choices, and other data types depending on what you need to track in your list. For advanced settings like managing permissions, deleting the list, or customizing column properties in more detail, click the settings gear icon in the top right, then select List Settings. And if you want to explore other list creation options later, remember that when you clicked Blank List earlier, there were also templates available like Issue Tracker or options to create lists from Excel spreadsheets or existing lists. That's it for adding a list to a SharePoint site. Thanks for watching.